The Ninja Luxe Café ES601 is absolutely worth buying, especially at this price because it replaces multiple machines while delivering cafe-level coffee at home. Make sure to click the link in description below to get this espresso machine at the best price. This machine is designed for people who want great coffee without spending years learning complicated techniques, and that's where it really shines. You can brew espresso, drip coffee, or cold brew from a single, beautifully built stainless steel system, which already saves space and money. The Barista Assist technology guides you through grind size, dosing, temperature, and pressure, so every cup tastes balanced and consistent, even if you're not a pro. The integrated conical burr grinder with 25 settings means you're always using fresh grounds, and the built-in scale automatically measures the exact amount needed for each drink, removing guesswork completely. Milk drinks are also easy thanks to the hands-free frothing system that works with dairy or plant-based milk and offers multiple foam styles, hot or cold. Cold brew lovers will appreciate the cold-pressed extraction, which produces a smoother, less bitter taste and works great for iced drinks or even espresso-based cocktails. The assisted tamper is another thoughtful touch, creating evenly packed coffee pucks that improve extraction and flavor. Of course, it's not perfect. The machine is larger than basic coffee makers, and there's a learning curve simply because it does so much. It's also an investment upfront, but when you compare it to buying separate espresso, grinder, and frothing systems, the value becomes clear. For anyone serious about upgrading their daily coffee routine and cutting cafe visits, this machine makes a lot of sense. Check the link in the description below to see the current deal, compare options, and decide if the Ninja Luxe Café ES601 is the right upgrade for your kitchen.